Ashish has been very restless, disobedient, and argumentative from his childhood. Moreover, his stealing habit made his parents more aggressive rather than worried. Despite being the son of a rich father, he hardly got pocket money. As a result, he started stealing money whenever he got the chance. His parents started treating him like a thief. Their abusive language and the physical punishment made their son more rigid. He began taking revenge on his parents by being more adamant and destructive. He formed a tendency to run away from home and spend the night with his friends of same mindset. His stealing tendency got so aggravated that he ended up being a real thief in terms of stealing and forcing his parents to hand over money to him as much as he required. Now he is 19 years old. He spends most of his time with his friends either in club or recreation center and testing his fate in gambling and betting. Now he needs money for fulfilling his destructive needs. So where do you think things went wrong? Hello happy people, I am your parenting coach Divya Sujan, and today we are going to discuss about how to teach your child the value of money. Many parents do not realize that spending money is one of the major social needs of a human being, and it's normal for our child to develop and express curiosity in financial matters. So parents should accept this fact and try to satisfy their child's curiosity by teaching them how to handle money. Instead of thinking that it's too early to teach the child about money matters, parents, keep this in mind: the sooner the better. The best way to teach your child the value of money is to spend money through him, which in a way teaches them how to be immune to the lure of money. Money in his hands makes him a confident and trustworthy child, and it also subsides the greed for money. Here is an example of happy and proud parents. Megha has such parents who are not only educated but also have a broad and sensible outlook towards life. They used to give their daughter some amount of money whenever they went on trips and encouraged her to pay for everything, example for shopping bills and fares, and also pay for other commodities right from when she was 6 years old. They decided to give her some pocket money when she was 10. They made it a point for her to spend it as she liked, but her small necessities like pencil, eraser, etc. were also included in that expenditure. And when she grew up, they increased the amount of money by inclusion of her mobile charges, internet services, and so on. If she exceeded the fixed amount, it was going to be her own problem because the extra amount would be deducted from the following month's pocket money. Thereby, she slowly developed the sense of responsibility and learned the true value of money. In fact, a child who starts handling money earlier has not much curiosity and does not have greed towards money. But the deprived child who faces problems and pressures due to money develops lots of behavioral problems like stealing, lying, aggression, or nurturing a revengeful attitude.